everybody. My name is Tinsley and welcome to my lab. And make sure to subscribe and click the bell for new videos. Thank you. My name's Tinsley.
And I'm Dad. What are we doing?
Welcome to our lab.
Tinsley's lab, huh?
Uh-huh.
What are we doing today?
Making gross guts.
Super gross guts.
Yeah.
So, always have adult supervision, right?
Yep, and do not eat.
Do not eat. And wear your safety goggles.
We mean right now.
Right now. You put your glasses in your pocket.
Yep. I'll put them down there so the camera doesn't have to see them.
Oh, okay. So we're making super gross guts today, or glorious guts. We're going to need 100 milliliters of water.
Which we have right now.
Right there. We're going to need the experiment bowl.
And red sodium alginate. And big scoop. Calcium chloride.
Okay, so first we're going to fill the bowl with 100 milliliters of water. We've got to keep it right there so that camera can see it. And then we're going to add one big scoop calcium chloride. So I'll get the scoop for you.
I actually got the scoop.
Oh, but I'll scoop it for you.
And I got the scoop.
You got the scoop?
Yep.
What's the scoop?
Really, Dad? Dad's green, I'm blue. Mommy, the camera lady is purple.
There's one big scoop of calcium chloride.
Stir.
So stir the solution until the powder is dissolved. I'll let you use this because we didn't get out the stir stick. So what do you think are guts? What are guts?
They help you digest food.
Oh, okay.
Because Mommy told me.
Okay, to your entire the gut refers to your entire digestive tract. Do you know that?
No.
Is it dissolved? Okay. That's your esophagus, right there. Your stomach.
Boom, 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 boom.
And the intestines. A grown-up's intestinal tract is about 30 feet long. Yeah, 30 feet. About as long as a telephone pole. Yeah. Yeah. It can take up to 5 days for food to make it through your body. But not corn, right? That goes through right away.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay. So we
What
got
about
this.
carrots?
What about carrots?
I don't know.
Okay. Now we're going to squeeze a long string into there.
It'll make the guts.
It'll make the guts. I'll do the first one, and then so it shows you how to do it, okay? And then you can make the second one. So what we're going to do.
The dots look like blood cells.
They are.
What?
No, I'm kidding. Okay, you can squeeze some in there.
Are they just the food?
Well, it's glorious guts. Squeeze it.
Try.
Oh, that's good. That's a big glorious gut. We don't want to use all of it up right away.
We might need it for other experiments.
So if you look in the bowl right there, you can see some glorious guts.
I did the big blob.
Okay, now it says pull your guts out of the solution.
Can you do mine too?
Look at that.
Look at my gut. Ah, you pulled out a cell.
I'm just going to use my fingers because what do we do when we're done?
Wash your hands.
Look at that glorious gut. Ooh.
I'm letting you touch it.
You want to pick one out?
No.
Do it.
Okay, fine.
Get the big fat one.
Okay. Look at that bad gut.
Oh.
Flip it back in the tummy.
Hey, did you know by the time you were 5 or 6 years old
What?
that you have as much blood in your bodies as adults? So you got as much blood in that body as I got in mine. But someone like Dimitri, he's got as much blood as a cat.
Oh, I want to pick it out again.
You want to pick it out?
Zoom in. Oh, you don't have to.
Babies have little blood when they are born, only about a cup, about as much as a cat. So, what did we learn today? We got glorious guts, huh?
Wait, what? That's a short experiment.
That is. We can do another one then. So let's take our glorious guts
I'll start with this one.
and stick them in the bag here.
I'm starting with this one.
We can gross out your friends with it. Oh, look at that one. Get it in the bag.
Don't worry. We're gonna wash it.
You stinker. Oh. Get it in the bag.
Nope. I'm putting it.
Oh. So, make sure you subscribe. Ring the bell for new videos. You're gross. Okay, that's enough. Make sure to subscribe. Ring the bell for videos.
Hit the thumbs up.
Hit the thumbs up. And we'll talk to you later.
Bye.